It's a Saturday at 7:26 p.m. That's when we are at our happiest. Despite the oddity of this particular period, numerous studies have shown that weekends are often happier for people. Whatever happens in our lives, it seems like we all tend to experience weekend happiness. Even while I enjoy running my business and choosing my hours, I know that my stress levels are lower on the weekends. This led me to wonder why a Saturday felt differently from a Wednesday. I kept track of my eating habits, sleeping patterns, and significant life events over 10 days. But after that day, I also summarized how I felt and gave it a perfect rating on a scale of 1 to 10. This information helped me determine the things that cause me the most stress and the things that bring me the most joy in your life. The outcomes of my experiment gave me a much more distinct picture of what brought me joy and what left me feeling stressed. So here's what I have found to be more effective. Let's get into this. I enjoy spending time with friends and family over the weekend. It enhances relationships with family and friends, strengthens social network, and creates a solid support network that will be there for me in good times as well as bad times. I always adore how Harvard professor and happiness specialist Daniel Gilbert Tate puts it. Being around loved ones and having friends makes us joyful, and most of the other things we believe bring us joy and merely means to those ends. Also, I spend my weekends engaging in my hobbies. I spend my time writing, reading a book I've been meaning to read for a while, watching a movie, preparing my favorite dish, or even partying with my loved ones. I get energy and a sense of life from my hobbies. Don't stay up thinking about things. If you can't sleep, do something productive instead. In my experience, I require between 7 and 8 hours of sleep per night to feel fully refreshed. I've discovered that I sleep less on an average throughout the week than on the weekends, since I'm more stressed from work-related chores. Every week, I have at least 1 or 2 nights where I can't get to sleep because of my mind is racing. In the past, I would lie in bed and make every effort to go to sleep. However, I was becoming more stressed as I lay awake. So I gave a unique concept a shot, and that is, I get up when restless and work on whatever is on my mind, no matter that it is 4 a.m. Talking about the issue in my brain for half hour is considerably more calming than rolling around for hours. So finally, get some rest. If you can't, get up and concentrate on what's bothering you. Avoid using electronic gadgets, including the television, iPad, iPhone, and others. Instead, unplug. Get some mental rest after a stressful week. Consider reading a book instead. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you did that? Weekly introspection is an effective technique for growth. Consider the broader dynamics influencing your industry, company, and employment during the weekend. You should be able to view things in a completely different light without the interruptions of busy work from Monday through Friday. Utilize the knowledge to change how you approach the coming week. Increase the productivity and effectiveness of your work. Well, this is something you may do on the weekends as well as during the week. While you might have other obligations, you might find yourself in the welcome position of being able to cross items off the list without the additional distractions of the office and new things being thrust upon you. Here are the 3 steps I've adopted. Add or modify my to-do list using my to-do list app. Prioritize my list of tasks and perform calendar or time blocking. And now I'm all set. So finally, my friends, I have the freedom to explore interests, spend time with loved ones, restore my emotional and mental well-being, get some physical activity, and also take pleasure in the simple pleasures of life. Thanks for taking out time to see this video. Hope you liked it. Feel free to comment if you agree or even disagree with my thoughts in this video. Kindly take a moment to subscribe and comment on my channel. This keeps us going. I will see you soon.